Assalamu alaikum grade 1. Welcome to your English lesson for today. Now, in today's lesson, you are going to be learning about rainy and snowy weather. Now, we have already learned about the different types of weather, but in today's lesson, you are going to be focusing on rainy and snowy weather. Now, your key vocabulary for today's lesson are rainy, snowy, clothes, jacket, and boots. Now I would like you to say the words with me. Rainy, snowy, clothes, jacket, and boots. Amazing work. Now at the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify what you can wear when it is rainy and snowy. Now this means that you will know what clothes to wear if it is rainy outside and if it is snowy outside. You will also be able to differentiate between snowy and rainy weather, which means that you will be able to see the difference between snowy and rainy weather. You will know how both types of weather looks. Now at the end of the lesson, I would like you to click on this link so that you can complete the assessment so that I can see how much you understand from today's lesson. Now these are some really fun games that you can play, and these are some optional activity sheets to help you understand the lesson a little better. Now let's get started with today's lesson. You are going to be learning about the weather, mainly the rainy weather and the snowy weather. So let's get started with the snowy weather. This is what snowflakes look like. So we are going to go to the next slide so you can watch a short video about snowy weather. Now can you see the snowflakes falling from the sky? Isn't it amazing? Look at it again. How cool is that? Now this is another video of snowflakes that have fallen on the ground. It looks like a winter wonderland. How cool is that? And can you see what color is the snowflakes? That's right, it's white. And look at them falling on the ground. I can't imagine how cold it must be. Now, when it is snowy outside, what do you think you should wear? Now remember, your clothes need to keep you warm when it is snowy outside because it gets really cold. Now let's see what type of clothes you will wear when it is snowy. A warm hat, a scarf around your neck, don't forget your jacket, some warm and cozy socks, your gloves to keep your fingers warm, and boots. Now remember, your boots need to be really warm as well to keep your feet from getting cold. Now here are some fun snowy activities that you can do with your family. You can go sledding, which is on this little thing here, and you will sled down a hill because remember, like we learned in one of our English lessons about transport, remember that in Alaska there was a lot of snow, so people would go sledding with their dogs. But for this one, you don't need your dogs because it will go down the hill on its own. The next activity that you can do is you can build a snowman. Don't forget to give it a little hat and a scarf so it stays nice and warm. Now, can you think of any more fun activities that you can do in the snow? Amazing! Yes, you can go skiing or you can go skating on the ice. That's right. Amazing work. Now we are going to look at rainy weather. Look at how rainy it looks outside. Now we are going to watch a video about the rain. Look at the water droplets falling on the ground. Wow, it's amazing. Now, what do you think you should wear when it is raining outside? Remember, your clothes need to keep you from getting wet. So let's take a look at the clothes that you can wear when it is rainy. A hat to protect your hair, an umbrella so that you don't get wet, a raincoat. Now remember, a raincoat is a little different from other coats because when the water hits it, it doesn't get wet. It just slides off. Don't forget your gloves so you don't get cold. And your rain boots. Now these boots are different from the boots that you wear when it is snowing because it does not get wet. Now here are some fun rainy activities that you can do. You can be really creative, so you can do any art activities or you can build something inside. You can also build a blanket fort. Now, what is a blanket fort? Amazing! It's when you use your blanket to make a little tent inside your house so that you can sit under it. Amazing! Now, can you think of any more fun activities that you can do when it is raining? That's right! You can build a puzzle, you can make something new, or you can read a book. Great work! You're doing amazing. Now, what is the weather like today? That's right, it's sunny outside, which is really, really amazing. Now, what is your favorite type of weather? Mine is when it's raining outside, but I can see the sun. So, what is yours? What an amazing answer. Yes, that is a great type of weather. But remember, learners, we can't go outside yet, so please stay safe and stay home. Now, these are some videos that you can watch, but remember, any video that is used in the lesson is only for educational purposes. Now, I am so proud of all of the learners and all of their effort. Well done, and I will see you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.